dirt bike, now I'm gonna get my dirt bike, trying to trade it for a boat. I know, a boat. Yeah, boy. I got a boat, like life ain't real right now. Straight living. Sound, got the keys, got the title, straight rat's nest. From a dirt bike to a boat, like that's bonkers, bro. Like at 18. And for all y'all asking if this joint has compression, 1, 2, 3, all 3 cylinders. There's another one for good luck. Video 2, boys! Alright, so this is part 1 of how to get a boat. I'm gonna be trading my dirt bike for this boat I saw on Marketplace. So yeah, filling up the taco truck and heading it up. And I got plans, you know what I'm saying? But alright, let's go. Part 1 of the trade up challenge. Bro, last year I did my mini bike. I restored it. I got it for free. I restored it. Got a dirt bike. Now I'm gonna get my dirt bike, trying to trade it for a boat. I know, a boat. So yeah, we're heading up to like Bowie. Pick that up. Got the tow hitch. You know, little 16 foot, little 16. But no, real like I kind of got my finger in a little bit of a pickle with the freaking dirt bike. I was falling down the handlebars, and bro, just straight gushing blood. But yeah, heading up there now, and let's go, let's roll, let's go.
2 hours later.
All right, so we're at the Marketplace guy's house. We're checking out the boat. This is literally first impression, so come on. Don't expect something crazy, mind you. This is it's a project. But yeah, this is the beast. The project. Definitely needs some work.
Yeah.
But hey, I'm thinking about, you know what they say, what boat stands for?
Yeah, but break another 1,000.
Break another 1,000. Yeah.
If I had the money, I was gonna put like a pressure treated 1x3s on the roof right there. The whole middle section is open.
Yeah, I'm thinking of putting some like I'm literally gonna put it back to stock.
Like how we could like pressure plywood. Like thing, I've got all the old crap out, and you could get that tin white bed liner, just bed line the whole inside.
That's also smart too.
Yeah.
Give me ideas too.
Yeah.
But what is this? Tell me about the motor.
It's a CFI. Look at fueling truck.
Okay.
It's a
the blade looks good too. There's no holes on the actual boat.
yeah, no, not that, no. For like
It floats, not sinks.
Actually, I guess it floats like if I get the gallon, took it out once.
Hey, that's good first impressions though. But all right, let me hook it up onto the 4Runner and get out of here. Yeah, boy. I got a boat. Like life ain't real right now. Straight living. The goal is to get up and running for Beach Week. Depart from DC all the way to Ocean City. Let's get it. All right, so we made it to my grandma's. It was about like an hour and a half drive. I ain't gonna catch bricks because I don't know, something about a tire blowing on the highway scared me the most. But we got it at my grandma's. We're here safely. We're dropping it off. Now it's time to back it in and put it in the gravel over there. Boys, we did it! It's here. It's at my grandma's, safe and sound. Got the keys. Got the title. The title. I forgot what it was. Yeah, part 2 is when the boat actually go down into restoration. We're gonna start with like power wash, full inside out of like clean, get all this shit, and then put a tarp over it and start the journey. But stay tuned. From a dirt bike to a boat, like that's bonkers, bro. Like at 18. But all right, I'll see y'all later. And right now we're just gonna clean it out. Get this. Just get it bent. But if you see over here, like grab the camera.
Oh, yeah.
If you see this, straight rat's nest. Straight rat's nest. Oh, yeah.
Where the radio is and
But yeah, just get it cleaned and go from there. All right, so as you can see, off camera we try to get to work, gutted all the interior. Look over there, got it nicely organized out type shit. But yeah, check it out, see what we're working with. We got all the wood, try to get it out of there. Straight fiberglass now. Like even the bucket where the battery goes is missing and stuff. Motor's good though. I would show y'all, but next video where I'm gonna show how to do a full maintenance on a boat. But yeah, just peep all the wires. This is the gas tank. Gas tank right here. Pretty big, probably looks like a 20-gallon.
What did he say?
Probably even more, but keep it up there, keep it up there. Alright, so stay tuned. Now let's get this back inside and just lay it out. Boys, this is where we at. So now we just gotta power wash it, throw a battery in here, and yeah, hop out, Brian. Check this out. Do a full walk around, show them what's up. Be like, this is gonna be the layout, but obviously gotta build the floor and stuff. But the engine right here. Look at that. Look at that. Bro, and for all y'all asking if this joint has compression, look at it. 1, 2, 3. All 3 cylinders. There's another one for good luck. But yeah. Jump out of here, Brian, from the front. Show them what's up. But yeah, you peep this. I'm thinking of like painting it, keeping the white, but from here down, I think I'm gonna keep it like a metallic gray, like my mom's car, you know, like last video. I'm thinking of doing like that. Paint the trailer black, lubricate everything. But now stay tuned for video 2 of the boat. Should be coming along pretty soon, and yeah, stay tuned. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, I got that too. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna be posting reels and stuff. DMV Caliber, shout out. Catch y'all later.
Benjamin and I, we've been rhyming all the time. No Ronald McDonald's without some French fries.